Hey everyone, Dan with MacRumors, and in this video we're going to go hands-on with the all-new product red iPhone 8 Plus. For the last 11 years, Apple has partnered with Red on various products with portions of those sales going towards the fight against HIV and AIDS, and last year we received the first product red iPhone in the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Continuing that partnership, this year Apple just released the new product red iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, which is the model that we have here. Aside from the very red iPhone on the box, everything about the unboxing experience will of course be the same. You have your standard accessories like the charging cable, wall adapter, earphones, as well as some paperwork. There are, of course, a few differences between this year's product red iPhone compared to the previous generation, and the most noticeable difference is the new black front as opposed to the white front found in last year's model. Now, I was under the impression, and just by looking at all of the past product red products, that the design language was supposed to be red with white accents. Almost every Red sponsored product has this design language, but after last year's very high demand of a black front on a red iPhone, Apple must have listened because it seems customers got what they wanted. This red color is also a bit different and much brighter looking than last year's. It could be because of the glass over the aluminum backing from the iPhone 7, not really sure why, but the red never seems to be consistent. For example, the product red edition leather folio case for the iPhone 10 was also just released today, and this red seems to be much darker than the iPhone 8 Plus. As far as the case goes, it's the same as the black model that we featured earlier, still holds a few credit cards and cash, and it's still $100. If you were hoping for a product red iPhone 10, unfortunately this leather folio case will be about as close as you'll get at the moment. The color change is really the only change here. Nothing else is different with this iPhone, and of course, if you already have an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or 10, it's obviously not worth the upgrade unless you really like the color red. If you're in the market for a new iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, I think this one is one of the better color options, and it will probably only be sold for a limited time. Again, portions of each sale goes towards research, testing, and medicine for HIV and AIDS, and is all for a good cause. So check out the link in the description for more information. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.